Hi, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at my certified pre-owned pick of the week. We got a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT. This is equipped with the 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine and the automatic transmission. This month and through the end of September, Chevrolet is offering 1.9% available financing rates on the Cruze and other select models. This vehicle has slightly over 25,000 miles, as you can see on the dash, and can be yours today for right around $15,000. Please let us know if you've got any questions about the vehicle selection here at Apple Chevrolet. We have lots of great units to offer, and we'd love to help you find the car for your needs. Please call us at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000, and you can also check us out online at applechevy.com, where we've got all of our new certified and pre-owned inventory listed for sale. Thank you very much.